In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a base sketch for a 3D model. Firstly, go for the sketch. How engineers do it.
Before we start today's video, I would like to ask all my viewers to subscribe to my YouTube channel How Engineers Do It. Share the video among all of your friends and also hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
And select the plane that you would like to sketch on. And then, as you can see, the drawing is right here, and this is the profile sketch that you would want to create, and then give a thickness. Coming to giving the thickness, that is supposed to be coming under the part design workbench. Select the profile tool. Now start sketching, referencing this plane here, this line here. So when you sketch, just make sure that you're getting the blue color, so that means that you're having a horizontal or a vertical auto constraint. Drag it here. Okay. Now, use the constraint tool and start constraining. As you know, this is 15. And this is 20 mm. This is 45. And the whole base length is 100. Press the escape and pull this towards the side. Now what you could do next is to just select this line and this line and right click and go for allow symmetry and select this one, the V line, and then give the dimension for this, that's the 30 mm. Now do the same for this, allow symmetry, do the symmetry for that. Now as you can see, the sketch is fully constrained, but as you can see here, there is a 20 mm. You need to check if it's coming as 20 itself. So just select the 2 points and go for horizontal measure. As you can see, it's 20 mm. So you can delete this, or else you could delete the auto symmetry over here. And as you've finished the base sketch, you need to click on exit sketch. So you can see that the sketch is here. Now in order to give thickness, that's something that you would learn in the part design workbench, but I'll just show you as it is a 2-click method. You just have to click on the pad and the sketch and provide 20 mm here. As you can see, it's 40 mm total. You can go for a mirror extend command and click on OK. That completes this. And in order to check the dimension, go for the measure tool, and as you can see, it's 40 mm. This is 15 mm. This is 100 mm. So our design is complete. So I hope you enjoyed. Let's see what's there in our next tutorial. Thank you.